Greetings everyone and welcome to the Moto Alchemist channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you easily can dismount your rear wheel and also how to remount it. And first, check that you have all tools. This video features a Multistrada 1200 Enduro from 2016 that requires a 12.36mm socket for the rear spindle nut. Put your bike on the center or a paddock stand, then loosen the nut. Remove it, and if there is any washer, gently tap the axle with a mallet to get it to pop out on the other side. Then remove the chain adjuster block. Once you can grab the axle to pull it out, lifting the wheel slightly will help to ease the pressure on the axle. And when the wheel drops down, roll it slightly forward and lift the chain off the rear sprocket, and then you take the wheel out. If the axle looks like this, sand it lightly and apply some grease to prevent wear and make future removal easier. To refit the wheel, you slide it in between the arms, mind the caliper, and put the wheel far enough to the front to reapply the chain to the sprocket. Make sure that the brake disc goes properly in between the brake pads. If the brake pads are too snug, you can press them back with a screwdriver to create more space for the brake disc to fit. Lift the wheel and put back the axle. Make sure that the center bore is aligned with the holes in the swing arm. You may also have to bring the chain adjuster block a bit back. Once the chain adjuster blocks are fitted on both sides, give the wheel a push forward to remove the gap between the adjuster bolt and block. It doesn't hurt to check the wheel alignment by comparing the markers. If your bike does not have any markers, you can measure the length of the adjuster bolts with a caliper. Torque it to whatever is correct for your bike, which for this 1200 Enduro is 180 Newton or 133 pound-feet, whereas Multistradas with a single-sided swing arm are 230 Newton or 172 pound-feet, which is just a lot. At last, check that everything moves and feels like it should. Press the rear brake a couple of times to make sure of its function. That's it, that's all on how to remove and remount a rear wheel. Now, I hope you got yours off and on if that was what you were here for. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that. I'd very much appreciate it. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.